Nestled in the picturesque landscape of Joshua Tree, California, this modern one-of-a-kind container home is built using 4 high-cube shipping containers. What makes this house stand out is the large wraparound deck, the 20-foot container pool, the hot tub, and the stargazing skylight over the master bedroom, among other salient features. A brightly colored front door welcomes you into a chic, open-plan living space. The space comprises a fully furnished kitchen, a dining area, a lounge space, and a breakfast counter. The living area integrates with the deck through the floor-to-ceiling glass doors, which enable ample daylighting into the house. The lounge area features a queen-size sleeper sofa, a custom coffee table, and a floor mat that defines the lounge space. The kitchen is the centerpiece of the home, designed to be functional and aesthetically pleasing. It features high-end stainless steel appliances, ample under-the-counter and overhead storage cabinets, a kitchen island that also serves as a breakfast bar that can comfortably sit 4. Adjoining these living spaces is a formal dining, featuring a large custom-designed dining table with enough sitting space for 6. The master bedroom features a comfortable king-size bed, a closet, a large glass window that provides natural lighting, and a beautiful skylight ideal for skylight ideal for stargazing right from your bed. The glass doors lead onto the deck, a perfect outdoor space for relaxing. The master bedroom boasts a glass enclosed shower cubicle, a toilet, and a double vanity with storage. The guest bedroom features a queen-size bed, a large mirror, and ample space. The guest bathroom showcases fully tiled, stylish bathroom with hotel-like finishes and fittings. The container's interior was framed out. The walls are painted in white to create that illusion of large indoor space, and none of the corrugated walls that dominate the exterior are visible anywhere on the inside, bringing out the industrial theme of the house. The expansive 4,000 square feet outdoor deck comes equipped with a 20-foot shipping container pool, a barbecue area, a hot tub, and a comfortable sitting space under the sun with shading umbrellas, creating a versatile outdoor living space that encourages relaxation and outdoor entertainment. This amazing desert container home is an ideal place to vacation and is listed on Airbnb. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. Which part of this amazing design appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You're encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we showcase this kind of projects from all over the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. On this channel, we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.